What is going on, guys? It's the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. So today we're actually going to be unboxing the Hoto. So you guys are probably thinking like, what the hell's a Hoto? This is the Hoto. This thing is a lifesaver. I know everybody's seen those electric screwdrivers, the very thin ones. I just always thought that maybe, you know, they don't have enough torque if your screws are on too tight, like say you're changing the blade or whatnot. And those people, and I'm sure those barbers out there, probably know exactly what the hell's going on when it comes to your forearm pain, because I have a lot of it. Tendonitis, put my arm out, can't do it fully, extend my fingers, really hurts. I don't want to be doing this motion when I have a messed up arm. So what I rather do is use an electric screwdriver. When I was watching Sean, mainly Sean cuts hair, because I never see anybody really use an electric screwdriver except Sean. So shout out to Sean for inspiring me to go out and get this screwdriver. It's not the exact same one he has, but I definitely will leave the link if you're into a smaller electric screwdriver such as his. I will leave that link. I'll get the information from him and where he got it. Leave that link below. I'll also leave this link below for this Hoto. Now the Hoto is awesome. It's got like different torque adjustments. It's awesome, and it's really helped me a lot, especially with my pain in my forearm with the tendonitis. So without further ado, let's get to the video. I'm gonna unbox it, show you guys what's inside, show you how it works, show you the different torque options, the build and construction of the whole thing. So let's get to the video. All right, guys, I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, so this is the Hoto electric screwdriver. It does tell you that the Hoto is 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver model QWL-SD001. Item dimensions, it's 178.8 by 34 by 35 millimeters. It weighs about 250 grams. The rated voltage between 3.6 volts, 6 amps max. Rotation per minute, unloaded 220 RPMs, and it contains a straight electric screwdriver, organizer case type C, screwdriver bit, 12 bits, and a user manual, and barcode and manufacturer information. So you have your USB, doesn't come with a block, but it comes with a USB charging cable, comes with a user manual. This here is the bad boy itself. Now it doesn't look like an electronic screwdriver. It's got a little handle here so you can kind of carry it around with you wherever you go. So it's got a lock and an unlock. So right now it's locked, you can't pull it off. So you twist it, you pull it off, that's your screwdriver right here. So we'll place this over to the side. This got nothing in it, it's just the case. Now you pull your screwdriver out. So we'll put that off to the side for just a brief moment. It comes with 12 different bits. This is the one that I would suggest to use for your tools. This has worked for me, this guy right here, which would be the PH1. They do all have numbers on them, different numbers. You can take this out, this rubber holder inside, you can take it out, but I don't see why you would. So getting into the screwdriver itself, now it has 3 different torque settings. It has 1 torque setting, 2 torque setting, and 3 torque setting. So this is your forward button. It's also got an LED light here. It's not too bright, but if you're in the dark and you're working, it at least illuminates your work area where you're working, doing your stuff, you know what I mean? And it automatically dims out after like 10 seconds. And this is your reverse. It's all magnetic, which is really nice. So I'm gonna throw my PH1 in there. If I wanna take something apart, let me see what I wanna take apart here. So remember, forward and backward. This, I think torque 1 or 2 will be good. If not torque 1, we'll do torque 2. Pop it in here, go backwards. Really saves wear and tear on the forearm and the wrist, especially if you have tendonitis or, you know, any of those carpal tunnel, stuff like that. And just like that, guys, very simple, very time efficient, works like a charm. Let me put it back for you guys. So it is a 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver set, all-in-one design, USB-C charging cable, manual, and electric. LED shadowless light, 3 torque, 5N.M, 1500 mAh, 12-piece bit for electrical repairs. So it is a 1500 mAh, so it will last you quite some time. It definitely isn't that much at all. It's $75 with a $15 coupon. This is definitely a go. Let's go back up and I will give you my final thoughts on it and we will end this video. All right, we're back up top, guys. So would I recommend this? Absolutely, yes, I would recommend it. It's a little bit more on the expensive side than maybe those tinier, thinner, more narrow screwdrivers. And I like beefy. I like things with a lot of power, and this got a lot of power. If you're constantly cleaning your tools, if you got odd jobs you got to do around the house, whatever the case is, then this is definitely your guy you want to mess around with. Thanks, guys, for checking out my video. We will definitely see you on the next one. The Clouded Barber signing out. Stay safe, keep it real, and much love to all you guys, all right? See you on the next one.